And listen, sis, I didn't feel like doing anything to my hair. So you gonna get this Nike cap and you gonna like it. Alright? I'm tired of my hair, girl. I'm ready to put some weave in. Okay? Okay.
That must be why you move so icy. Icy like 1017.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for checking into another video. This is gonna be a how to apply your lashes. I can't be like, oh yeah, this was highly requested, because see, I ain't got enough followers for all that yet, you know. But when I get it, I'll be saying like, yeah, this video was highly no, sis, it wasn't. You know what I'm saying? Just a few people hit me up on my Instagram, my Snapchat, or my Facebook and asked me to, you know, do a video on how I apply lashes. So I hope the video is very informative for you guys. But yeah, so let's get started. Alright ladies, so in order to achieve this look with these lashes, you will need the following products. Your choice of lashes. I chose Broadway lashes. These are really great for beginners, really easy look. Also, this is just a lash applicator. It's really good to get a good hold of those lashes. And your choice of mascara. I just chose a Maybelline Big Shot mascara, and then some, of course, the eyelash glue, and I just chose by Duo. We are going to start by applying a very thin line of glue to our lash band, paying close attention to the ends, the corners of each lash, because that's where it needs to be the most tacky. And I am looking down within a mirror here. I have it at chin level. My head is straight, but my eyes will be looking down. So make sure your head is straight, but your eyes is looking down. Place that lash band right in the center of your lashes, like so. Then, as I continue to look down with my head straight, I will then look up, make sure that it's in the center of my lashes. Look back down into the mirror, pull the ends above my lash line, and then secure it. Make sure you take your time with this. We're going to do the exact same thing in the corner. You're going to be pulling that lash up a bit and putting it right above your real lash line. Do not place this on your actual lash line, just a few centimeters above it. And then, of course, go back through and make sure that it is secure. Then take the end of the applicator and push your real lashes within your false lashes, because you're not supposed to be able to tell where it begins and where it ends. And then that mascara is also going to help you just blend those false lashes within your fake lash. Literally, ladies, this is exactly how I apply my lashes every time. All you do is hold that mirror at chin level, look down into it with your eyes, and just apply. And also, I want to say this, when it comes to applying your lashes, just make sure that you continue to practice. And you know it's going to take you a while in the beginning, right? So just set enough time aside to do your makeup. Don't rush and do your makeup. Because if you rush and do your makeup, you won't give yourself enough time to sit there and apply your lashes. Because practice, 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 practice. You're not going to get it on the first round, maybe not even the second round. But if you just keep doing a task repetitively, if you keep doing a task, you will eventually get the whole format of doing your lashes. And this is just the easiest way for me. I know some people also use tweezers and all that. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And when it comes to lashes also in itself, let me give you a little tea, okay? You know, you get on Instagram and everybody's selling mink lashes or whatever, and that's cool. But if you can't afford those lashes, come here, let me tell you something. Come here. This girl, AliExpress, has mink lashes, $1.95. Okay, you don't have to spend $20, $25. Now, I ain't saying they may not last the whole little while, you know, the little 20, 25 times wear or whatever. But girl, for $1.95, you can get like $10 worth, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, that'll be decent looking lashes because they look really good. So keep that in consideration too. And like I said, these are the lashes that I use. Broadway are hair store lashes. So, and if I want to get a little, you know, baddie, I double them up. It's you know what I'm saying? Don't break the bank trying to look like sis on the ground. All right, we're not doing that. Not this year. We saving that money. and we're taking trips. I don't know. Saving no money in your lashes will really get you on a trip, but that's good to know. That's good to know. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. All right, you guys, so that is it for me today. If you like this video, please make sure that you hit that thumbs up button. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and also make sure that you guys share my video. Thank you guys for the love thus far, and I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.
You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas?